Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Loud color themes and otherworldly shapes, German tuning firm Mansory has been known for explicit designs that beg to catch anyone's attention. This could very well be the first time I'd love a Mansory creation. Inside and out, this noir supercar looks sleek and ready for date night. If Bruce Wayne decided to go British for his weekend ride, this is it. The all-black Mansory 720S takes a lot from its initial build for the McLaren supercar. Though not mentioned, we can assume that the engine tune comes from the McLaren 720S first edition that was presented at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. On that car, Mansory extracted more from its twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, with a final output of 755 horsepower, 555 kilowatts, and 575 pound-feet, 780 newton-meters, of torque. As for the body, this Mansory 720S is fully decked out in options. These include weight-saving front and rear bumpers, a rear diffuser with integrated OEM brake light, side skirts with lip, door and rear fender extensions, upgraded bonnet and front fenders, performance wing, side mirror housing, engine cover, and intake/outtake upgrades. All parts come in black and most are built with carbon fiber in various finishes. Inside, the aftermarket upgrades are more personalized through interested parties can choose between leather combined with either wood, carbon fiber, or another leather. The parts include the pedals, floor mats, trunk cover mat, steering wheel, seats, and paddle shifters. As with most Mansory, pricing isn't disclosed for this all-black McLaren 720S. You can contact Mansory directly for that, but with the heft of carbon fiber used, don't expect it to be cheap.